If you want to mirror files on Google Drive for desktop, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Mirroring is a great option if you want your Drive files stored both in the cloud and on your computer, so everything is easier to access offline and you have a more traditional folder setup on your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure Google Drive for desktop is already installed and running on your computer. You should see the Google Drive icon in the bottom right corner of your screen in the system tray. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the Google Drive icon, click on it to open the Drive menu. Next, look for the gear icon at the top of that menu. This is the Settings button, and it gives you access to the main Drive preferences. Click the gear icon, then choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will open the Google Drive settings window, where you can change how your files sync to your computer. Inside the Preferences window, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Click on Google Drive in that sidebar. This section controls the way your Drive content is handled on your device. Now look for the Sync Options area. By default, Drive may be set to Stream Files, which keeps them mostly in the cloud and downloads them only when needed. If you want all your files kept locally as well, this is where you change that setting. Under Sync Options, select Mirror Files. When you choose this option, Google Drive will store copies of your files on your computer, not just streaming them from the cloud. This is especially useful if you want offline access, faster file browsing, or you prefer working from a local folder structure. It can also make it easier to manage certain workflows, especially if you use a lot of large files or need consistent access without depending on your internet connection. If you want, you can also choose a folder location on your PC for where the mirrored files will be stored. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to keep your files in a specific location or separate them from other folders on your computer. Just pick the folder that works best for your setup and storage space. After you've selected Mirror Files and confirmed your folder location, click Save. Google Drive for desktop will apply the changes and start updating your sync settings. Depending on how many files you have, this process may take a little while, so give it some time to finish. Once it's done, your Drive files will be mirrored on your computer and ready for offline use. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Drive for desktop to mirror your files. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.